May nangyayari na naman. Grabe guys, wala akong balak i-share to, pero ice cream ka ba or body scrub? Uy! Hindi siya kagaya ng mga gasgasin na soul scrub. Very gentle lang, parang cloud sa balat. And yung amoy, parang luxury spa levels siya ate. Parang dinala ako sa Japan. For its benefits, meron siyang niacinamide, pangtanggal ng dark spots. Ayan, dyan. Girl Plus, meron siyang oat kernel extract for skin recovery. Kung sensitive yung skin mo, perfect na perfect to para sa'yo, dahil. Alam mo yung after mo mag-scrub, instant baby skin, ganun yung effect nito. So, buy dark areas, buy chicken skin. Yung amoy talaga very sweet, calming, chilling, everything in between. Pero may a little bit of Japanese hug. Japanese hug? Kung hanggang ngayon, sabon lang yung gamit mo, may mali dyan sa body routine mo. Gamitin mo na tong Mirai Body Scrub Mango Glow yung ginamit ko, guys. This is inspired by Japanese wellness, clean, pure, and relaxing. This is truly a gift from Hokkaido.